Another night in Bangkok, another adventure to be had. I'm over in the Sukhumvit area and Terminal 21 shopping centre is right behind me. Not far from here, there's a big night market with a lot of food. I've been told about it and I want to go and have a look. Also, I have my new shirt on. So in a minute, as soon as I cross the road, I'll give you a sneak peek of the new shirt. Yeah, so if you can see, probably a bit hard to see. Had a little glimpse of the Mr. Donator logos on my Adidas training shirts. I designed that logo myself and I had these printed as direct to fabric prints, and then I've had them applied to numerous shirts, and I can put them on shorts, and I've got all different types of designs. So as you can see, it's a bit busy on the street. It's pretty lively, and I'm heading to, this is not the final destination, it's just somewhere that I want to have a look at, Nana Plaza. So today a work colleague sent me a video of Donald Trump, who speaks about when he comes to Bangkok and he goes to Nana Plaza, and it seems like something that he raves about a bit. So I thought I'd best go and have a look, see what it's all about, what it looks like. So I thought I'd just come down here, Sukhumvit area, have a sticky beak before I head up to the night market and grab some dinner. There's little stalls along the way, lots of bars everywhere. There seems to be, we've got a adults only store on the side there. Probably won't put that into the video. Never know what might happen nowadays. Get bloody banned. Videos taken down. I'll show you a little bit around. This is the area that we're in. A lot of clubs down in there. I'm not sure whether you can, might be one of those restricted filming areas. But on the way back, I'll go down and I'll just check it out. But I want to get to the Nana Plaza area first. So I found some good socks here. Look at that. I reckon if I see them somewhere around at this market tonight, I think I might get a pair of those. I can just imagine the facial expressions in Sydney wearing a pair of those around the street. Oh dear. I'm not even going to mention the name, you can see what it was. So it's a bit of a lively little area, this joint. There's a hell of a lot of traffic, a lot of people, a lot of tourists. It's a very touristy area, Sukhumvit area. I'm in the Nana Plaza area now. I'm kind of thinking, okay, I now know why Donald Trump stays here and parties here. He says party. He says he downs about, I think it's 6 chains, gets off the plane, straight to Nana Plaza, downs 6 chains, and there was some mentioning about 2 lady boys. Well, that was the video I watched, unless it's been hacked and AI'd. But it's got all little streets and strips going down here. It's sort of a, not only is it a club area, it's sort of a that type of area as well, I believe. I don't even know how I'm going to get across the road here. Maybe when the traffic stops, I'll slide through all of the traffic and get over there. because I need to go back that way. That's the direction I need to get back to. The market is that way. I walked about 10 minutes the opposite way just because I wanted to have a look at this, what's called Nana Plaza area. So when this lot of traffic here stops, we'll go through, give you a little peek what's going on. Right, I made it across the road, just zigzagging through some of the alleyways. These are all shops. What's this one here? It's a very Arabic area. Yeah, lots of bits and pieces going on here. I don't know what it is yet. It's shoes and it's perfumes. What else have we got? Cosmetics. More shoes. Very Muslim area. Hello to all my Muslim friends.
Welcome, boss.
Oh, welcome. Hello. Hello, how are you? They just want me to go in and have some dinner. I can't have dinner there. I'm going to the market for dinner. That's where I want to go. That was the plan. I'm sticking to the plan. So you can see I've got a big massage centre up here. I kind of feel like, in a way, I'm in Egypt or something, because it's Arabic in Egypt, and it's basically the only country I've been that's Arabic. Just gives me the vibe. Just gives me that vibe. Look at this stuff here. What do you reckon? It's smells. What's wood and smells? What's that smelly wood? That did not come out real good, did it? So like Hollywood gone wrong. Smelly wood. A lot of streets, a lot of stalls in them. It's just another area in good old Bangkok. Then you've got another little strip down here going on. Down here, bit down there. A little bit going on down here. Keep going, get out on the main drag, chuck a left, and we'll do another couple of lefts. Grand 5 Hotel and Plaza. So Ronnie McDonnie there. I seen it at McDonald's yesterday, and it's the only one I've seen. It's the only one I've seen in any of the shopping centres or around in Thailand, and it was called McDonald's. I think I may have mentioned it actually in a video now, I come to think of it. So I said, well, I'll nickname that Whackers, because we call McDonald's Maccas back home. I don't reckon anyone would believe me. I think I filmed it. But, why would they call it, put the M, so the M from McDonald's was back to, like upside down. It was upside down, it was a W. The golden arches were in the shape of the W, so they're just completely spun upside down. There must be a reason for it. It was either specific just to that shopping centre. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I thought I'd just mention it, just in case I didn't in the other video. So we're walking down that little strip. Oh, it's a, must be a no photo. Alrighty. We won't go down there. I don't want the photos taken. Must be an illegal situation going on. It's a bit worrying when that happens. I mean, I only want to walk through the street. I don't really want to film the people. I'm not zooming in. You can hardly see the people anyway. But let's not worry too much about that. Go along here. Yep. So a bit of the green funny stuff around this area. Funny streets with shy people that want a lot of your money. But anyway, my desto is the night food market. We'll arrive shortly, down past Terminal 21 again, and make our way there.
เดินไปตามถนนสุขุมวิทคนเยอะไม่เคยเงียบเหงาร้านค้าแสงสีทุกเสาร์ชีวิตเต็มไปด้วยรักทุกอย่างก้าวมีเรื่องใหม่หัวใจวิ่งเร็วขึ้นมาเสียงรถผ่านไปมากรุงเทพจังหวะเราใจสุขุมซอยเปิดให้กว้างมากันล้นหลามทุกวันเสียงเพลงร้องดังพร้อมเพรียงเดินถนนไปไม่มีเบื่อเพื่อนเจอกันทุกหัวซอยเสียงหัวเราะดังสุขุมวิทมีเบิกบานสุขทุกวันเป็นนิรันดร์ท้องฟ้าในเมืองลืมชายแสงไฟกลมกลืนกับดาวย่านนี้สวยเกินบรรยายในใจรักสุขุมชัดเจนสุขุมซอยเปิดให้กว้างมากันล้นหลามทุกวันเสียงเพลงร้องดังพร้อมเพรียงเดินถนนไปไม่มีเบื่อท้องฟ้าในเมืองลืมชายแสงไฟกลมกลืนกับดาวย่านนี้สวยเกินบรรยายในใจรักสุขุมชัด